The government is insisting the tourism industry is on track for a strong recovery following concerns about the lingering effects of Hurricane Melissa. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett also announced ambitious plans expected to reshape Montego Bay St. James. Anthony Lugg has details.
We're coming back with a bigger, better, more exciting experiential tourism that is going to drive Jamaica to another dimension in growth and development.
Tourism Minister issuing a bold response to concerns that only 42% of the room stock in Montego Bay St. James has been reopened following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Other hotels are scheduled to be reopened in November 2026. Montego Bay, like many other tourist towns, has been reeling from the effects of the hurricane. But Minister Edmund Bartlett insists the progress made to date speaks to the resilience of the destination.
It is that resilience that enabled us within 8 weeks after Melissa to welcome 450,000 visitors to Jamaica and earn $474 million for the people.
Looking ahead, Mr. Bartlett revealed, among other things, a major transformation of the waterfront from Montego Bay's cruise ship pier in the west to Falmouth in the east.
And I assure you that there will be no single destination within the Caribbean area that will have the kind and quality of product that Montego Bay will have. When we are finished with Rose Hall, developing those 2 mega hotels there, creating the casino crescent of the region, and then to create after the first ever tourism innovation township in the entire world, right there in Rose Hall, around a little place called Barrettown.
The tourism minister was speaking at a function in St. James where S Hotel Montego Bay was named the best all-inclusive Caribbean resort for 2026 by USA Today Reader's Choice 10 Best Awards.
We are really looking forward to seeing what lies ahead for us in the future. We are aiming to go higher and higher and see what the future holds for us.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.